Hello, hello. Hi everybody. Yes. I'm just here and just coming on to do an Instagram live today just to share with you about the Skinvigorated brush. Hey, welcome. Right. View inside. Now, hello. Let's see who I have here. Is that Yvonne? Hi. Welcome. Hi. Oh, good evening.
Hi, Sam.
How are you? Nice to see
I'm
you
good,
today.
thank you. Thank you.
Thank you for joining me. Just want to share today a bit about Mary Kay experience, and I'm just going to allow you as one of my customers, long-standing customers, so that they can get it from another view, not just a consultant, because I'm Samantha, Greenaway-Brown, a Mary Kay beauty consultant, not from just my perspective, but from a customer's perspective. So I'm just going to hand over to you, Yvonne, and thank you.
Okay. Well, thanks for inviting me. I'm talking about this brush. I don't know the technical name for it. I just call it my face brush. And thanks, Sam, for really introducing me to this. The reason being is because I really enjoy using it. And why I enjoy using it is because I noticed that when I actually wash my face with my hands, so when you first gave me this, when I purchased it, I didn't do it night and day. When you're in a habit, my habit was just to wash my face with my hands. And I actually dry my face with cotton buds. So when I dried my face, I could see the dirt that was left on it. And when I used this, I wasn't looking for that result, but when I actually used this, I noticed on my cotton bud, there was hardly any, if at all, any dirt that was left on it. It was all left on the brush. And that really impressed me, which made me start using it again and again and again. And now I do use it night and day. And also what I like, it's really easy, because to be honest with you, in the morning time, I just want to just do what I need to do and get out the house if that's what I need to do. And so it's really easy just to take off the brush. And I don't know if I'm supposed to wash it with this, Samantha, but I actually, like hand wash, I just put a little bit of hand wash there. I just do this on the top, wash it off, and it's all finished, done, dusted, ready for me for nighttime. So yeah, so I really love it. And my night regime, it's nighttime now, so I'll use this. I use this one. I've been using this for a little while. This is the foaming cleanser for the more mature woman, apparently, which I am. And so, so what I like about this as well is that you don't have to use a lot. So I really feel as though I'm getting my money's worth. And then I finish off with this, which I know, Samantha, you didn't give it to me for my nighttime cream. You gave it to me for my exfoliating regime. But I started using it on my face. It's the nourishing oil, and I use this at night, and I really love it. It's not oily. It just really moisturizes my face really nice. So this is what I do at nighttime. I do my brush, I do this, and I cream with this, and it doesn't take any time at all. So yeah, that's my experience.
Yes. And the beauty about the brush is that you can have as many heads as possible. So if you got the man in the house, the kids, they can use a brush. So this is mine when it hasn't got it on. And you just click it in like this. Now, I've come barefaced today, and I just wanted to show it.
You look good.
So it's TimeWise repair, as you said, for the mature woman. There are also other ranges. That's the TimeWise Miracle 3D.
I've used that one before.
Mary Kay Naturally.
I've used that before. My son's used that one.
Natural. The Botanical Effects, and if you've got sensitive skin and you don't know where to start from, and also young people can start with this one. But I just don't have the men's one to hand. But all I do I'm just gonna, I've got a bowl, wet, I'm gonna wet the brush a little bit, put this on here.
Can't quite see the can't see the brush, Sam. Yeah.
There you go, the brush. 60 seconds. It has different speeds, and you just go around your face. Woo.
Is it better, Sam, to put the what you're gonna wash your face with? Is it better to put it on the brush? Because I tend to put it on my face.
What you prefer?
And
what you prefer? Whatever you prefer, it will still work. So go for 60 seconds. It's a lovely sensation. It's not hard. It doesn't.
I would agree.
And it does clean your face 4 times more effective than your fingers. And until you use it, you really won't know the benefit. Oh, lovely, lovely, lovely feeling. And it doesn't take long, 60 seconds. There we go, we're going to soon finish. But whatever skincare you're using, whether it's the Miracle 3D, the TimeWise Repair, the Botanical Effect, you can use this. And so when you finish now, you just take it off. Like she says, my hand is a bit oily. Like that. And you just rinse it, wash it, put it down, ready for the next time. So it comes in a box like in there, like that. It has everything in it, including the USB charger. Now,
oh yes.
Sorry.
No, I said, oh yes.
Since I've had mine, I've never had to charge it yet.
Yeah.
Yeah. I haven't had to charge it. And also,
that's.
Sorry, Yvonne, continue.
Sorry, Sam, that's what I forgot to say. Continue. It doesn't need the charging. It's really good. The last of the charge, really, really good.
While she's talking, I'm just going to wipe this off my face, and then I'll just tell you one other thing that we use. Normally, I would do this by going over the sink and washing my face, but since I'm live, I've got a bowl with water, and I'm taking it off. Now you see my face naked, but I'm going to share with you. We have just got a new product called Clinical Solutions, and I haven't tried it yet, but from tomorrow I shall be trying it. So I've showed you my naked face so that when I come back, you can actually see my face and see the improvements. You can join that journey with me. Now, Yvonne was saying she uses the nourishing oil here. But we also have, I've got it here, I just had it here. I just put it down, I put it on. On here, we have a massaging head. So if you put the oil on your face, I'm just gonna put a little bit drop. Just gonna put a little bit on my face. You know I'm gonna wash my face afterwards when I finish. And you've got this, can you see it? The same brush. And you can use it. Okay. And you can massage your face, your neck. So they're interchangeable.
That looks like it looks really nice on the face. Is it soft?
Very soft. It's not hard at all. And the same 60 seconds. So you can do that.
And what does that help with, Sam?
Well, it will help to simulate the blood flow to your skin. So that will also help renewing the skin. But you know your skin renews of every certain amount of days. So it helps the brightness, bring your skin is much more, it doesn't look so dull.
Okay.
So that's finished. So when the same thing, just take it off, put it down, ready for next time. But this oil, it moisturizes the face. Some people worry about oil because they think they get spots. This doesn't do that at all. And
it doesn't. No.
I don't just do my face. I also make sure I do my neck. So
you always say that.
So this would also be a very good present, especially when we know Christmas is coming up. So if anybody wants to find out more, because what I'm doing at the moment is you buy one of these, you're going to get one of those also.
Okay.
All right. So just DM me, message me if you want to find out about any more of the Mary Kay range, which I have here. I can book a facial for you, whether it's face-to-face or online, and I'll be happy to tell you a bit more about it. But I would like to thank Yvonne and all the other people that have joined. Oh, hi June, how you doing? How you doing? I'm gonna put my glasses on so I can see. Oh dear, wonderful to see you. Hey, yes, okay, and all the other people that's joined. I'm so glad to see you join me tonight. I shall be going on some more lives, and hopefully like on a Tuesday night. I'll give you a bit more notice on that. But thank you very much for joining me, and thank you very much, Yvonne, for sharing with me.
You're welcome.
If you want to know about Yvonne, what she does, she's Yvonne D. Hines, so you can look at her handle and find out a bit more about what she does. So I'm going to say bye from now. Thank you.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Can you get it off?
Oh, somebody has asked a question. Are the products chemical free? The naturally is 95% free. So 95%. But if you'd like me to contact you or you contact me and I'll give you some more information on that, I can do. Oh, hi Jackie. How are you? Nice to see you on there. All right, bye for now.
Bye, everyone.
Oh, Serena.
Bye, Serena.
Hi for joining, Serena. How you doing? Okay. Thank you very much.
So if somewhere at the top on the right-hand side, because we're still on live, it should be up there.
All right then. Bye for now. Bye-bye.
You got it.
Amen. Bye.